Hello students, welcome to Umadevi Children Academy students. Today we are discussing the topic is the molecularity of the reactions. So reaction, the number of reacting species that take part in the elementary reactions. Elementary reaction means the two or more species are react with each other. The two or more than two species A, B and C or species are reacting with each other to form product, that is we call as the elementary reaction. Right students? So, which must be collide the simultaneously the order to bring the chemical reaction called as molecularity of the reactions. When the two or more than two species are react with each other, that is elementary reaction. In this elementary reaction, the how many the what are the number of species are take part in the chemical reaction. What are the number of species which are take part in chemical reaction? This is called as a molecularity of the reactions. Right, students? Okay, the reaction can be unimolecular. The reaction can be unimolecular when the reacting species involved. For example, the ammonium nitrate. So here only one reacting species are involved here. Only one reacting species. So that's why this is we called as a unimolecular reactions. This is we called a unimolecular because only one species is there here. Only one species. Right, students? Similarly, the biomolecular reactions involves the simultaneously the collision between the two species. The collision between here two species, that is it means the a chemical reaction in which the two molecules are two molecules are take place. Two molecules or two reacting species are take place. That is we called the biomolecular reactions. Example: 2 moles of hydrogen iodide. It means the Hi again Hi, which are dissociated to form H2 plus I2. Right, friends? So here look at here the 2 moles react with the form, or you may reverse this reaction. 1 moles of hydrogen, 1 moles of iodine. Both are 1 moles. It is also 1 moles, stoichiometry 1 moles. It is stoichiometry 1 moles. Both are 1 moles to form the 1 moles. Here there is 2 moles. The 2 moles are 2 moles 2 moles of species are take part in a reaction called as biomolecular reactions. The trimolecular reactions, it means here the collision between the three reacting species are take part in a reaction called as trimolecular. For example, 2 moles of nitrogen monoxide and 1 moles of oxygen to form 2 moles of nitrogen dioxide here. So look at here stands stoichiometry 2 and here stoichiometry 1. It means the both are here the 3 moles. So 3 moles are forms here, right friends? So the probability of the more than three molecules can be collided with each other in the simultaneously very small. Hence the reaction of hence the molecularity of the three are very rare. Molecular reactions are very rare and slow to proceed. Therefore, the evidence of the complex reaction involving the more than three molecules, the stoichiometry of the equation take place in a one step, more than one steps. So whatever the reacting species are there, the more than three reacting species are react with each other. So such reactions are very slow manner. Such reactions are very slow manner, and that is the very complex, very slow and very complex. So such type of reaction we have to write in the more than one steps. Right, students? In the last year we have seen the many reactions we have to seen in the organic chemistry, the step 1, step 2, step 3, like we have to distinguish, so because they are so complex, like that the here the complex reactions or more than three reacting species are react with each other, that is are written as a more than one steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, like this. So here students, the 1 mole of KCl3 and 6 moles of ferrous sulfate and the 3 moles of sulfuric acid, it means the total is 10 moles. Right, so such type of reactions are take place very slow and it's a very complex. Yes, students. So these reactions are apparently seem to be the 10th order of reaction because the 10 moles are there. So 10th order of reactions. The second the actually the second order. When we see it is the 10th mole. 10th molecules are there, but it is the second order. Why it is called second order, students? Because last time we have discussed the slowest step. The what are the steps of reactions are there? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. In this reaction, one of the reactions are the slowest step. In the slowest step we have to determine the rate, so that's why it's called as a second order of reactions. So when the step is control overall reaction, the question, the answer is if you given through the mechanism of reaction. For the example, the chance to win the rarely the competition of the team depend upon the slowest person team. Here all the examples are given here. The slowest reaction is the rate determining steps. So the overall rate of reaction is controlled by the slowest step. So slowest step is the rate determining steps. Consider the decomposition of the hydrogen peroxide that catalyzed by the iodine, the alkaline medium. Look at here, students. The hydrogen peroxide is there here. I am using the iodide as a catalyst. So in this reaction, the rate is written as in this form. Rate written as in this form. So this reaction is the first order of reaction. Both hydrogen peroxide and the iodide ion, the such the reaction take place in the two steps. Reaction take place here two steps. Look at here, students. These are the two steps. The initial step, what happened here, the whatever the products are formed here, it is not formed directly. The formation of this product, the two steps are involved here. The two steps are here, students. These are the two steps. The hydrogen peroxide react with the iodide to form water and the iodine oxide, right? This iodine oxide again react with the one more hydrogen peroxides. This iodo oxide react with the one more hydrogen peroxide to form water, iodine and oxygens. So iodine is a catalyst here. Iodine is a catalyst. We cannot consider any this one. So but the oxygen and waters are formed here. Right, friends? There is the oxygen and the waters are formed here. Right, students? So it means the slowest step is the rate determining steps here. Both step biomolecular elementary reactions, the species iodide oxide called as intermediate, since the during the course of reaction is not in the overall balanced equations. The first step is very slow. The rate determining step, the rate of formation of intermediate will determine the rate of reactions. And the discussions will conclude the following. The what is here we are discussing with the what is the order of reactions and molecularity of the reactions. So order of reaction is the experimental quantity. It can be 0 and the fractions. Order of fractions, students. Last time we have seen the order of fractions. In the order of reaction. Order of reaction is the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of the reactant, right? If your increase concentration of reactant double, then the rate is remains 0. That is called as a zero order of reactions. Zero order of reaction. And the rate of reaction is proportional to K into if you increase here the 4 times, but rate is increased only 2 times. The concentration of reactants are increased 4 times, the rate is 2 times. It is half of that. So that's why, students, the it is the fractional order of reactions. But molecularity cannot be 0 or cannot be integer. So whatever the molecularity is there, the molecularity we are considering the number of molecules take part in the reactions. The molecularity here, number of molecules are take part in the reaction. The how many reactants? One reactant, two reactants. If two reactants are participating, that is the two molecularity of the reactions. If the reactant 1 turns into product. Only one reactants are participating, so it is the unimolecular reactions. If the two reactants are participating to form product, that is the bimolecular reactions. Three reactants are participating to form product, that is the trimolecular reactions. Right, students? So the stoichiometry in this molecularity, only the stoichiometry are considered as the number of stoichiometry considered as the molecularity of the reaction, students. Right, students? And the order is applicable to the elementary as well as complex reaction. The order of reaction is elementary. Elementary, students, means the two or more than two reactant species are reactive in the reaction. But complex, the already we have seen as well in the previous slide. So this is the slide. This is the one of the complex reaction, students. The 1 mole of potassium chlorate, 6 moles of ferrous sulfate, 3 moles of sulfuric acid. So total how many moles are there here? 10 moles. So order of reaction can be determined. Order can be determined for the complex as well as the elementary also. Complex as well as elementary reactions. Molecularity reaction is only applicable to elementary reactions. Though the complex reaction is not considered in the molecularity. Right. So molecularity in which molecularity, because the whatever the whatever the molecules are there, the only the two or the three reactant species must be react in the reaction, that is the elementary reactions. What are the complex reactions are there, we can't able to say the 10 molecularity of the reactions, we can't able to say, that is right. For whatever seen, the 1 mole of KClO3 react with the 6 moles of FeSO4 and 3 moles of the H2SO4. So here, students, this one we can't be called as the 10th molecularity of the reaction. We can't be called as 10th molecularity of the reactions. Right? We can't be called as the 10th molecularity or the polymolecularity of the reaction. We can't be considered. So such type of reactions, such complex reactions, only consider in the order. Only order. Right? What a slow steps is there? Based on slow step, it is we have to determine this is the second order, first order, etc. For complex reaction, the order is slowest steps, and molecularity of the slowest step is the same of overall reaction. In both sides, friends, is one of the common thing. The order of reaction, the complex reaction, the order is the slowest step, and it is the rate determining steps. In molecularity also, the slowest steps is the rate determining steps. In both case, the same thing there. Right, students? Okay, students, next is the difference between order and molecularity of the reactions. Order, the sum of power of concentration of the reactant. It means the rate is equal to the rate, whatever the rate we written here, the power of concentration. We are using the power here. We are summing the concentration of the reactant A, that order is 1. Concentration of the reactant B, that order is 2. We are summing these two power. If we are summing the sum of the power, that is 1 plus 2, that is 3, students. That is 3. So there is a third order of reactions. We are considered the third order of reactions, right, students? But in the case of, so that is the order, students. This order, I think this is the order, and the molecularity means number of molecules. number of molecules take part in chemical reaction. It means the whatever the reactants are there, the reactant 1, 2, 3 both are combined to form product. So how many reactants here? 1, 2, 3. Right, trimolecularity of reactions, right? If the only one reactants are present to form product, that is unimolecularity of the reactions. If the two reactants are present here to form product, that is the bimolecularity of the reactions. Right, friends? So the stoichiometry, the number of stoichiometry here considered to form, that is we call it the molecularity of the reactions. So what are the order is student are there? The order we have to determine with the experimental students. It is not considered with the help of the stoichiometry. It is you have to determine the experimental concept. But the molecularity is a theoretical concept, students. Theoretical concept, right? It means we have to count the stoichiometry. Then whatever the stoichiometry is present, that is the molecularity. So order may be 0, fractional or integer, right, students? But molecularity always whole number. Molecularity always the whole number. Whole number means, students, either the 1 unimolecularity of the reaction, 2 bimolecularity of the reactions, 3 the trimolecularity of the reactions, like this, students, right? So it is not 0. Molecularity never be 0, never be fractions. Molecularity always whole number. It is not 0, it is not a fractions. The order of reaction is the elementary and complex. Elementary or complex, right? Elementary or complex. Elementary means that only 2 or 3 reactants are react with each other, or the number of reactant number of reactants are react with each other to form product. That is elementary and complex. But here it is only few reactants are react here. Only 2 or 3 reactants are react to form product. So this is about the order and the molecularity of the reaction, students. I hope you understood today's topics. If you find any doubt there, students, ask me. Thank you so much.